Hello guys, welcome back in a technology fair. Let's see in this video tutorial how to address the all iOS problems by using one tool that is none other than ULT phone software. So this software especially has been developed for remove or fix all kind of the iOS error in any iPhone device, guys. So first of all, see guys, if you're having the problem of recovery mode, yeah, Apple logo, yeah, black screen on your device, or any others problems, any kind of the problem, if happening in your iPhone device, just don't do anything. Simply connect your data cable from your iPhone device to PC by installing and this software, guys, and just go for enter into the recovery mode. If it is this exit recovery mode, if it is already highlighted, then don't go for enter once again into the recovery mode, guys. So at the moment just I am switching on in a DFU mode. So let's wait here. Now see guys, my device has been raised in a recovery mode, so this one is now highlighted. Now if it is already highlighted after connecting your data cable from your iPhone device to a PC, then simply go for repair operating system or fix all iOS problem. So by clicking, while you are addressing this problem, guys, your PC should be connected with a good frequency of internet. So now see guys, if it is a bugs problem in your iPhone device, yeah, headphones, yeah, stuck in the recovery mode, yeah, stuck on a DFU mode, yeah, zoom mode, yeah, shuffle mode, yeah, mute mode, guys, don't do anything. Simply you have to click on a fix now. Otherwise, screen problem, yeah, your device, your Apple device has been stuck on an Apple logo, yeah, won't turn on, frozen screen, or stuck on a white screen. So any kind of the error if you're having here, guys, there are the various kind of the problem, all kind of the problem here can be addressed by using this tool. So this software especially has been designed for repair all kind of the errors, yeah, all errors of iOS, guys. So if it is now on a iOS mode stuck, of course you can address all the problem here, and if it is Apple driver error, then of course you can address the all problem, guys. So how you will address? So suppose here, let's see, my phone is disabled, so simply what can I do? Just I will go for fix now. Let's see what will happen. Now see guys, just I will go for now once again fix now. Now it's recommending, guys. What is the recommending? See here, iOS firmware 12.5 you need to download. So if you have already downloaded from anywhere else, then of course this IPSW directly you can go for by clicking on a selections, and you need to click on a browser and you will select manually this iOS wherever you have downloaded this IPSW, especially this version. Yeah, if you are confused to which version will be suitable for it, then simply just you need to go back and you have to click on a download. So now see guys, it has started to download and quietly good speed of this, and it's a genuine website from it will be downloaded, and after downloading this firmware, just you need to click on. At the moment I'm not going to. Why it is so? Because it will take a time, guys. Whole data approximately 3 GB is required to complete this procedure. So after downloading, simply you have to go for next, and this problem can be addressed within a 5 to 10 minutes, guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. It's a free of course. Of course you can add if you wanna download this tools to address all kind of the error in a iOS device, then of course just click below the description box, you will be able to download directly. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. If it is informative and acknowledgeable, then please ponder to a like and subscribe this channel, because this is the thing that will inspire me to make more and more video for enhancing the knowledge in IT sector, guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Thank you very much into it. Have a great time.